Hello little birds! Welcome to Little Birds Phonics, where phonics is made fun and exciting. In today's class, let us see word families. Today, let us begin with short vowel sound it. Now, let us see the first word bit. Bit. B-I-T. Bit. The next word is hit. Hit. H-I-T. Hit. The next word is sit. Sit. S-E-T. Sit. Sit. The next word is lit. Lit. L-E-T. Lit. Lit. The next word is kit. Kit. K-I-T. Kit. Here comes pit. Pit. P-I-T. Pit. Pit. Next comes fit. Fit. E-T. Fit. Fit. Now let us read the sentences. A kit in a pit. Sit in a pit. Hit a kit. Sit on a kit. Next comes the short vowel sound and. The first word is fat. Fat. F-A-T. Fat. Fat. Next comes the bat. B-A-T. Bat. Bat. The next word is cat. Cat. K-A-T. Cat. Cat. Here comes mat. Mat. M-A-T. Mat. Mat. Now it's time for rat. Rat. R-A-T. Rat. Rat. Hi birds. Now let's read sentences. A cat on a mat. A mat on a rat. A fat cat. A bat on a mat. Short vowel sound yet. 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 This is check. Check. J-E-T. Checked. Checked. Next comes pet. Pet. P-E-T. Pet. Pet. The next word is met. Met. M-E-T. Met. Met. Here comes the next word net. Net. N-E-T. Net. Net. Now, shall we read the sentences? A pet on a jet. A jet in a net. A pet met a jet. A pet in a net. Hey little birds, thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to Little Birds Phonics. Bye bye.